What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the new ps5, guys. My very first PlayStation ever. Am I excited to open this thing? I have a 1-2-year warranty on it, so hopefully I get to use that because I'm still spending $5 on it, but that is totally fine. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of it. I will do the setup video. I don't know if I will do a setup video. I don't know if I will be doing a setup video. But anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm here. The brand new ps5. Yes, sir. I need to open it. Oh yeah, here. I got it. Pencil. Guys, this thing is actually heavy. There you go, guys. We got it open. We have the lay it down and try and let it just slide out. I'm sorry guys that y'all can't see the okay. There. Guys, am I excited? This is crazy to me. Let's just open it up. Okay. We'll lift this bit up. There and there. Okay, now I'm gonna get the camera and show y'all what it's like. So, guys, I'm so sorry. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Oh! Ow. Dude, that actually hurt. Guys, here's what I see right now. Oh, gosh, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Here's what it looks like. Here, I believe the controller. Dual shock control. The lights. This is nice. Dang. Okay. Gosh, this is nice. Look. Guys, I really think this isn't a dream. I never thought I'd have this. Would have anything like this. Okay. I guess 2 manuals. We'll look at these later. Psych! I lied. Sorry. Okay. I'll do that later. Okay, here's where the controller was. The manuals were in here. Sorry, on it. Okay. I'm gonna open this. Let's see. Yes, we have a HDMI cable. What is this? Oh, I guess it's like a stand. Oh. We put it on this up here with the HDMI cable. Here is the power cord. Okay. I believe that's everything. Yep, that. And here we have the, what's this? A charging cable for the controller, I guess. I'll definitely use this. 100%. Okay. That is done. That's it for this box. Put this up here. Okay. Now the moment you all have been waiting for. Guys, I'm scared I'm gonna drop this thing, bro. I'm gonna do it on my bed. Y'all look at this. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Here it is. Guys, I'm scared. How should I take this out? Uh-oh, this is all a wreckage. Ah! That did not sound good. Let's put this down here so that we have more. This is light. Here it is, guys. This is crazy. Y'all, this is crazy. Alright, now for the details. Here we have a PlayStation logo. Oh my gosh, how did I even notice that? Oh, never mind, sorry. Here it is, guys. The brand new ps5 2023. It's crazy. These things are almost beginning to be 3 years old. Guys, I can't believe I bought this in 2023. I should have bought this thing in 2021. Let's go ahead. Go put it over here. Okay, guys. I'll put it over there. this is it. I'll do the setup in another video. But anyway, guys, if you guys have enjoyed this video, you probably haven't, because I literally have the worst channel ever. But if you guys have, please like and subscribe. Sorry about my dogs. Just close my door. But if you guys have enjoyed, please like and subscribe. It'll help me out a ton. And you guys will be seeing some ps5 videos leaked really early and really soon. Now all I'll have to do is just clean my desk again. Gosh, I have to. But yeah, anyway, if you guys have enjoyed, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Turn on all notifications, please, so that you guys will get notified whenever I upload videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, which will hopefully be a PS5 video on Fortnite. Peace.